In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you the Facebook Meta Business Suite in a very simple way. If you want to access Meta Business Suite, go to business.facebook.com. Once you get there, you have two ways to log in. You can either log in with the Facebook account or your Instagram account, so you don't need any other extra account. Your profile on Facebook and Instagram. If you don't have an account yet, click create a new account. Now, once we are logged in, you will see exactly how the interface looks like, and I will explain everything that you need to know, and we're gonna learn just for free. After watching this video, you won't need any other course about Meta Business Suite. So now, as you can see, this is how the interface looks like. On your left hand, you will have all the menu, and we're gonna go through all of them one after another, and you will master the suite and you will start using it as a pro. As soon as you get here, if you don't have an account, you won't see anything right here, but this drop down here gives you all the tools, all the pages, all the profile that you have access to. They will be here. If you don't have a business portfolio yet, you simply click here where it says create a business portfolio. In the portfolio, that's where you will access all the profile. Now your question is, what is a business portfolio? A business portfolio is simply an account that allows you to manage multiple Facebook assets. Facebook assets or meta assets means you can manage different or multiple pages, multiple Instagram account, multiple ads account, and so many other meta assets like shops and so on. Now, talking about this menu, the first one is the home. The home is the welcome page. When you click on home, you will see everything on the page that you have selected. Number two, notifications. Notifications will show you all the notifications about every single thing you have posted on Instagram and Facebook. Either it is the post or even the messages you are getting. Number three, we have Ads Manager. In Ads Manager, that's where we have account overview, campaigns, audiences, billing and payments, ads report. So having the Meta Business Suite, you don't need to go to a separate tool to do something. Let's say, for example, you want to run ads. You don't need to go on Facebook, on Instagram to do them. You can run everything in the Meta Business Suite, as you can see. Now, number four, we have Planner. In Planner, and this tool is so very important. I'm going to answer one of the questions that you've been asking right now. Right here, you can plan your weekly or your monthly post. All you need to do, you are ready to post, but you don't want it to go public. You schedule, and that's why it's called Planner. You go right here on top, you click create, and the interface for creating will come. Once it comes right here, you have all the options for text. You just type, for example, good morning, and once you finish typing your text, you put everything you need to put on that text post. You can also add your hashtag if you want. Click this icon here for hashtag, and you can search for hashtag or simply manually type your hashtag as you want. For example, this one, if it's the hashtag that you want to use, right here you can add an emoji. You just simply click on it like that, and you select the one that you want, for example, just like that. If you want to add a photo or a video to your post, simply click right here, add a photo or add a video. Now let me show you something very important you've been looking for. You are scheduling, right? Simply click right here where it says set date. Click right there and you will see this amazing feature we've been asking about, the active time. It's right there. Click on it, and once you click on active time, just like that, you will see this beautiful pop-up here, and it shows you exactly what is your active time. Active time, it means from the data that Facebook has already, what people are searching for, what they are watching, when they are online, Facebook will collect the data that tells when most active people are online for your account. And you can see today, tomorrow, Wednesday. If you wanna be more curious how next week looks like, because Facebook knows exactly, you simply click here, you change the date, and Facebook will show you based on that week people who follow you or people who watch your content on this specific date. This is when these people are always online. So you see, you can actually manage everything right here without buying another tool. You can even know exactly when to drop a post. Now let's talk a little bit. Why is it important for you to focus on your active time? It is important because the first signal that makes your distribution go higher, it's when in the few seconds of dropping your post, there are some activities that are happening. People are clicking, are commenting, are sharing, are asking questions, are responding to your comments. All these activities give the signal to the algorithm that, hey, we need to push this further. That's why it's very important for you to know your active time, especially for us new beginners. Now click save if we are satisfied with the date, and then we can also go right here and we will see public. All right, that's if you want it to go public, or we can have two options. It's either finish later or click schedule. That's what we can do in Planner. And always make sure you look this beautiful post here, and you can see also how it will look on mobile. You can also have the options, and it shows you exactly how people will click here to like it, to comment and share. The engagement metrics are right there. There are more to learn in each menu, and we will keep discovering more, learning more based on your beautiful comments and questions. The next menu to learn, it is content. Under this option of content, that's where we see all the creation, what we have created in the past few months, few days, weeks, years. So it's everything in content. Now under content, you will see everything, like you can see everything you have posted. For instance, you are looking for a poster or a post you did last year, simply click here where it says last 90 days right here, and you can select, for example, last week. You want to see only for last week, or you want to see only the scheduled one, the draft, the expiring. So you can also decide which type of post you want to check. Simply click right here, post type, and you can select either you want to also only check photos, text, links, live, or reels. So this business suite makes your creation easier. It helps you navigate through and find exactly what you are looking for. And look how beautiful it is. When you are in the interface like here, you can view insights about each post to see how each post is doing, what was the post about, and exactly how good or how bad that post went, and you can decide to correct. And you can also boost directly from the Meta Business Suite. Boost means you are running an advert about that post. Right here, you can see stories, you can see the A/B test, you can see the feed grid, the mention, playlist, the series, playlist. When you click on playlist, that's where you create different playlists. Or if you've been looking for a playlist, you want to delete it completely, go to it, click these three dots here, and click delete post. If you go to see all playlist, the playlist is there. When you click on it, the playlist will come. And now if you click these three dots rather, you will see delete playlist. Important, deleting a playlist doesn't delete the posts that are in that playlist. The playlist will go, but the post will remain on Facebook. Now let's go to the next menu, which is very important. It is the Creator Marketplace. Creator Marketplace, it is where you can access everything about market. Now, sometime you will try to access the marketplace. Anytime you see this error, there are two possibilities. One, during creation of the page, you did not select that it should also access marketplace, or simply there is a glitch on Facebook. You can try to refresh to see if the glitch is gone. And if it doesn't, you can just bypass and go to other things and check check the marketplace later. But I believe this page has never had access to it before. All right, so now right here, let's go to the next important menu, which is the insights. Under insights, we will see exactly how the page is growing. We will see everything right here. Now it's like giving us detail about the plan, the result, the audience, messaging, benchmarking, overview, content, ads, and earning. Let's look at audience quickly, where we will see exactly what is trending. We will see exactly the potential audience. The potential audience will show you how big your account, your page, potentially the audience that Facebook is trying to reach for you. Demographic will show you the active city, country where most your followers, most your views are coming, your audience. So it is important for you to understand, because this gives you an idea. And now you can see that it doesn't really matter where the page is. It matters how you are posting, how you are targeting. And the more you target, the more, as you can see, the top one, it is Ghana, as you can see, but at least it has other audiences like Nigeria, United States, and United Kingdom. All right, now let's go to the next one, which is inbox. Inbox, now you will be able to see all your messages right here, not on Messenger, not on Instagram, not on Facebook. In the Meta Suite, you see everything right there. You can chat there, you can connect Messenger, Instagram, Facebook comment, Instagram comment, and WhatsApp together. But there is a feature that is very important that I want you to see, and this is automation. Once you click automation, you are able to use automation here. So with Meta Business Suite, you really don't need to subscribe to another automation tool. This one is already enough. Now, when you want to create an automation, simply click create automation and select the one that you are looking for. Just go through all of them one by one. For example, instant reply, and away message, frequently asked questions, or comment to message. Comment to message, it is when you comment a word growth, you will receive an automated message about a reply or a link in your DM. Now let's go to something other very important, monetization. That menu, it's when you see everything about monetization. You will see the tools you have available under overview, and you will see the payout. You can click on your payout settings and see what is in your payout account, and you can click view page eligibility to see if you have anything about your page. And as you can see, once we go here, we can see the content monetization, and we can see the status of that tool right there. So now let's go to the next one, which is very important for us to learn. It is ads. This is where you can run campaign about your promotion, and when you click create ad, it will give you more options, and it will give you the chance to run ads based on your need. Probably if you want to learn more, in the next video we can learn only about ads, and I can show you how you can definitely master running ads, even making it a business. I will show you step by step how to create ads, which option to choose. Just comment ads and I will know you are interested. Now, last but not the least, I want you now to go through everything as a pro. You simply click all tools. Now, all tools will definitely give you all the tools you have in the Meta Business Suite. Like this, you see, these are all the tools that we have. We have gone through all of them one by one: planner, content, creator market, inbox, and there are so many like Inspira Hub, Lead Center, Live Dashboard, many AI, page post. All these are important to go through, but remember, we have gone through the main ones: creator, content, planner, creator market, inbox, monetization, and ads. So these are the main ones here we have gone through, and all these ones, as you can see, are divided into categories, and we have 5 categories. We have engage audience, we have advertise, we have manage, we have analyze and report, and we have sell product and services. So if you want to master Meta Business Suite, you need to put in mind 5 categories, and those categories, you just go to all tools. You will see, oh, for example, I'm looking to learn about audience engagement. All tools, and you come here under engage audience, you will see exactly those tools that are related to the engagement on Facebook. All right, so this is the business suite. Maybe next time you hear about it, it shouldn't be that something confusing. It's easy, and to access it, you go to business.facebook.com. Now, in our next tutorial, we will now start learning tool after tool, spending time only on planner, on content, on creator marketplace, to make sure that we can master each tool one by one. Now over to you. Which tool do you want to learn next? Thanks for watching.